Hey, Tom here, FlipAnything USA. Listen, if you are really interested in building a big portfolio, making a lot of money in real estate, you'd be foolish not to watch this whole video. And I'm going to be brief. So look, I have a couple 100,000 square feet of rentals, all the kinds of properties you all drive by every day. I also have a webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Almost every Thursday night I hold one, 7 p.m. Central. But today I want to talk to you about glass and warehousing. So I keep warehouse. I warehouse doors and hardware and just all kinds of stuff, air conditioners, things that have been taken from one building that'll go back into another. But this is a really nice one I'm going to share with you. I warehouse some glass that was a mistake from another job, but this is about $10,000 worth of glass. So finally have put it to use. Now take a look here. You can see all these guys working. And look at this is a beautiful 1950s home. Look at the glass, just beautiful, right? Floor to ceiling, very wide. Replaced the old stuff that was in there from long ago. But this is repurposed. This is stuff that otherwise would have gone to waste. But I said, nah, I'm gonna keep it. Put it away, stuck it a couple years later, and now here we go. So today they're just kind of finishing it off. I did have to buy the metal. The metal, of course, is custom. This is black aluminum, call it black bronze. I believe Jeff over there, he's filling a crack. Right here where the two plates meet, they're beveled. In some cases you can put a piece of silicone. It's shaped like an H, but in some cases the glass, and this glass was just slightly out of square or not quite perfectly parallel. So putting that H piece would have, some places would touch, some places was a bit sloppy, but there's a nice product that makes that easier to deal with. Right here, it's actually DAP and it's called Ultra Clear. A little bit expensive, but it does a beautiful job. So you can see they've masked the bevel. They're gonna fill that with this. But once it's done, really it's almost imperceptible. In fact, this glass, you'll see it's from a job that was done about a year ago. You'll see this, the beautiful window before was 24 feet wide. And so now we have two sections of 12 feet basically here. And now back here, same thing, just taking advantage and making sure to get the most out of it. So and so we'll go inside and we'll take a look out because it's really, really pretty cool. But you guys have seen my warehouse. When you've got a couple 100,000 square feet, it just really pays. You save door sets, door frames, exterior doors, interior doors, roll-up doors. Sometimes we'll pull out a roll-up door, put in a glass front. Then later, a different tenant wants something different. 10 years later, pull out the glass front, put the roll-up door back, or whatever they want. But that versatility and that ability to have all this materials available to you to change out at a later date, I mean, it saves hundreds of thousands of dollars sometimes. So yeah, look at that. How cool is this? Now, of course, the tape's gonna be gone, but that will look like just one piece of glass. There is a seam in the middle. Let's go over here to the theater room. You can see here, it's quite dusty in this property, but this is the theater room, which you can see, again, what a difference. Lets in so much more light. We'll go back there and take a look at the bedrooms. Yeah, there's nobody living in this property. You can see even this. Now we couldn't go all the way down to the floor with this one because there's actually some existing plumbing here, but we basically just changed out the existing window that was there. And here is a little master, and you can see how pretty is that. Yeah, this is really, really cool. I'm very, very pleased. So, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I've been doing this for almost 4.5 decades. Started at 19 years old, made my first $1 million in the 80s, and I've made tens of millions since. Lived a fantastic life. When you do something you love and you have passion for it, it's like you've never worked a day. I'm not saying I didn't have some tight times and some hard times, but overall, I've been just lived the best life anybody could live. And that's what real estate can do for you. And so if you're out there, you're 30, 40, 50, 60 years old, listen, I got students that have made $1 million in less than a year, and some that have made multi-millions in a little over 2 years. So it's not too late. You just need a good mentor. And if you have $50,000 or more available to you, then you need to take advantage of those opportunities that are around you. And I'll explain to you how to do that in the mentorship. I've got a book also, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. It's been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. It's a prerequisite to get that before you can get into the class. Urge you to get that anyways. And then schedule a call with me. Take a look at the apply for mentorship. I'll talk to you for free, give you the best advice I can give you for whatever your situation is. Always happy to share. Anyways, thanks for watching. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.